I am going to tell you a story which is written by me, whose title is Kohinoor Diamond, which is like this. There was a thief whose name was Parimal. Due to not being interested in studying in childhood, he grew up and started working as a theft. Due to being illiterate, he had become a slow mind. Anyone who talks to him will tell him he understands him as true. Her wife Madhumita was angry due to the small things being stolen in theft. One day in the morning, Madhumita says, Parimal, do not show your face until you have a great success. So thief roam all day long, but no one found the place to steal it. Thief reached a temple of roaming around. Many people came and sat in the evening and do kind of conversation. Tired thief also seen crowds of people. He also went to a corner of the temple. Talk was continuing. Someone asked them who is God. Then someone in the sitting person says, the one who thinks of someone good with his qualities is the same God. When someone asks who is human, then someone in the sitting person says, someone who thinks well, someone is the same human. Likewise, people sitting there used to do many types of question, and the people sitting there would get the answers, but in response to a question everyone gets confused. The question is, who is lucky? This question is asked when the priest of the temple comes. Then the answer is as bread. It's all surprised to hear it. Then priest says, the bread that the people of the house cook with great purity and love before placing it before the gods in the temple. He is kept warmly in holy utensils and covered with utensils and kept respectfully in his temple of Thakurji. By rotating the utensils, Thakurji is requested to accept this meal. It takes a lot of time to do all this. Then she does not eat bread food, but she becomes a prasad of God, which becomes more valuable than things like gold diamonds. In a way, he becomes the Kohinoor diamond. A king does not have the capacity to buy. By accepting that the sorrows of people are removed and eaters feel the ultimate bliss. Hear it all. The thief makes the mind that today I will take this Kohinoor diamond home. After some times there is arti in the temple. After the arti, food is offered as soon as the puja is over. Thief go away the utensil with the hands of the priest. All are surprised to see it all until people understand these things. By then the thief goes away. As soon as he arrives at home, he gives steals things the wife. She asks, what is this? Then in the form of the answer, the Kohinoor diamond. Nobody can buy. See all this, the thief's wife gets angry and the throws everyone out. The next day, the thief's wife Madhumita was going home's work. In the road, a rolling truck whose wheels bounce a stone into the air, by which the head of Madhumita gets injured and her head explodes. The situation is something like that. Doctor is also afraid to say something at the time of treatment. Then the thief apologizes to the priest for his mistake and used to bring prasad every day and feed my wife. In a short time it is completely cured. Then his wife has the impression of his mistake and the thief also stops stealing and does another work. Friends, this story tells us that we should never insult the prasad of the gods, and in this story Thakurji means Krishna God.